Crisis to Care initiative and our tactical advocacy resources change that. We give families more than support, we give them a strategy. We help them document what's happening in real time so it becomes credible evidence, not just emotion. We guide them in communicating effectively with prosecutors and judges, especially when mental illness, not criminal intent, is driving the situation. We also help families act early, building safety plans, pushing for treatment over incarceration, and advocating for diversion into care. This isn't just reactive. We're equipping families with a clear blueprint so they can step in with confidence. In a system where families are often sidelined, we make them informed, prepared, and impossible to ignore.